Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to create image and animate image in WhatsApp by using Meta AI. Okay, let's start the video. Tap on attach icon. Now tap on imagine. Now type here anything. Type here imagine boy running. After this, tap on send icon. Okay, my image is creating. Please wait while take a time. Okay. Now you see image is created. Now change this image to animate. Tap on make changes. Now tap on animate to make this image to animate. Okay. Now you see image is animated. Okay. Now tap on send to send this animate to other contacts. Okay. I see. This is GIF file. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.